Hello students, today we are going to discuss meristematic tissue, that is a type of plant tissues. We have seen that plant tissues are divided into meristematic tissue and permanent tissue. Meristematic tissues are dividing tissues that divides continuously and is responsible for the growth and development of plants. So let us begin. Meristematic tissues. Meristematic tissues are dividing tissues. So let us say the features of meristematic tissues. Features of meristematic tissues. This meristematic tissues, in short, we can also write it as MTS. So let us discuss the features of meristematic tissues. Cells divide continuously. Cells divide continuously. Cells of meristematic tissues divide continuously. They are also active. Cells are active, having dense cytoplasm. Cells of meristematic tissues are very active in nature and they divide continuously. Its cytoplasm are dense, cytoplasm, prominent nuclei. Also, meristematic tissues have cells and nuclei of that cells are very prominent and large. They are prominent and large because they have to divide continuously. Cell wall thin. They found thin cell wall. Also vacuoles and intercellular space are absent. Intercellular space are absent in the vacuoles and intercellular space are absent in the meristematic tissues. The function of vacuole is to support and storage, but in meristematic tissue there is no need of vacuoles. The cells have to divide continuously and they don't require any support and storage of anything. They have to continuously divide. And intercellular space are the space between two cells. This is the space between two cells. This is the intercellular space. So intercellular space are also absent in the cells of meristematic tissues. Suppose if these are the cells, it has prominent nuclei. This is the prominent nuclei. This is the cell wall. Dense cytoplasm, and these are the nuclei. So these are the figure of meristematic tissues. Now on the basis of the location, meristematic tissues are divided into three. Suppose we have a plant. And the plants are divided into root and shoot system. We all know that the plant are divided into root and shoot system. The portion of the plant below the ground are called root system, while the portion of the plant above the ground are called shoot system. And the shoot system comprises of the stem, leaves, branches, flowers and fruits. So, if this is the plant, this is the top portion of the shoot system. This is the top portion of the shoot system, and this is the mid part of the shoot system. So here, this is the shoot system in which the topmost part of the shoot system, apical meristem, is found only at here. Apical meristem. Apical meristem is found at the tip of the shoot system, and also tip of the root system. Apical meristems are found at the tip of the shoot system and also at the tip of the root system. Now here, this is the node. Node is the part of plant from where leaf originates. So this is the node. Intercalary meristems are found here. Intercalary meristems are found at the base of leaves and also at the nodes. Nodes are the part of plant from where leaf originates, and this is the part between two nodes. This is also node and this is also node from where the leaf originates, and the part between these two nodes are called internodes. So this intercalary meristem is responsible for the growth of leaves, branches and internodes. Okay. Now the third one is lateral meristem. Lateral meristem. Lateral meristem is found beneath the bark of the tree. This is responsible for the thickness of the stem and also for the thickness of the roots. Lateral meristem is found at the beneath the bark of tree and is responsible for the thickness of the stem and roots. So this is the plant. This plant is divided into shoot and root system, and apical meristem is always found at the tip of the shoot and tip of the root. Intercalary meristem is found at the node, and the base of leaves in lateral meristems is found at the beneath the bark of the tree. Now let us see the types of meristematic tissues. Types of meristematic tissues. There are three types of meristematic tissue. First is apical meristem. First is apical meristem. Second one is intercalary meristem. And the third one is lateral meristem. So apical meristem is found at tip of shoot and root system. Tip of shoot and root system, and also what is the function? increases the length of shoot and root. Apical meristem is found at the tip of shoot and root system and increases the length of shoot and root. Now intercalary meristem is found at the nodes and base of leaves. And it increases the length of leaves branches, increases the length of leaves, branches and internodes. Now third one is the lateral meristems. These lateral meristems are found as cambium. It is found as cambium near vascular bundles. These lateral meristems are found as cambium near vascular bundles, and what is its function? It increases the girth or thickness of stem and root. So lateral meristems is found in the form of cambium near vascular bundles. Vascular bundles are xylem and phloem. We will read about this vascular bundle in later sessions. So this lateral meristem is in the form of cambium found near vascular bundles, and it increases the girth and thickness of the stem and root. So let us have a quick recap that what we have learned today. First of all, we have seen that features of the meristematic tissues. Cells divide continuously, cells are active, dense cytoplasm, they have prominent nuclei, their cell wall is thin, vacuoles and intercellular space are absent. And types of meristematic tissue. These meristematic tissues are of three types: apical, lateral and intercalary meristems. Apical meristems are found at the tip of shoot and it increases the length of root and shoot system, while intercalary meristems are found at the nodes, base of leaves, and it increases the length of leaves, branches and internodes. Lateral meristems are found as cambium near vascular bundles and also in the form of cork cambium. They are also found at beneath the bark of the tree, and that increases the girth and thickness of stem root. So apical and intercalary meristems are responsible for the primary growth of the plant, that is related with the length of the plant. Increase in the length of the plant is called primary growth, while the thickness of plant is called secondary growth. So lateral meristem is responsible for the thickness of the plant and it is called secondary growth. So this is all about meristematic tissues. Thank you.